Okay, we currently have another update for Summersville, West Virginia. Um, I probably won't be expecting any tornadoes or any other major threats for you guys as well, but what I would be expecting for y'all is severe thunderstorms with heavy rain and heavy wind gust, with damaging wind, knocking down power and tree limbs, maybe. Right now, it looks like it's just light rain showers, but they also have a special weather statement too, and I'm guessing it's most likely about the same thing about the strong thunderstorms. Um, yeah, basically the same thing. I won't be really expecting a lot of severe weather from you guys because Summersville's kind of in the middle of elevation, like right between flat and high elevation. But yeah, I will keep an eye on this weather still until we figure out where it moves.